Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by diagnosing the simplest causes before attempting complex fixes. Perform a soft reboot by holding the power button for 30 seconds. If the screen still glitches, fully power off the headset and wait 2 minutes before powering back on. Inspect the USB-C charging cable and the headset port for debris or visible damage. Use a known good USB-C cable and a 5V2A or higher power source when testing. Note any pattern to the glitching to guide further troubleshooting. Next, rule out software causes by updating every component to current firmware. Open the Oculus mobile app and confirm the headset firmware is up to date. Adjust display settings and switch refresh rate between 72Hz and 90Hz to test for reduced screen tearing. Disable experimental features and third-party developer options during testing. If problems persist, back up library data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember that a factory reset removes local. When software steps fail, isolate hardware by testing with a PC via Oculus Link. Use a quality USB-C to USB-C or USB-A cable known to support data and power. If display artifacts persist across sources, suspect internal panel or ribbon cable issues. Do not open the headset yourself because opening voids warranty and risks further damage. Contact Oculus support, document your troubleshooting steps, and request an RMA if your device remains under warranty. Keep serial numbers and purchase receipts ready for faster service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.